Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Syauqi bin Noor Yakin. This is my proposal for final year project. Title for final year project is Material Handling Improvement at Household Source Production Company. My supervisor is IR Dr. Noriah Yusoff. Project summary. The aim of this project is to design and analyze the material handling improvement at household source production company. Many safety rules, national consensus standard, and manufacturer demand material handling will be understudied. Short distance movement is in a facility of between a building and a transportation vehicle what material handling entails. It considers the protection, storage, and management of material through the manufacture, warehousing, distribution, consumption, and disposal utilize a variety of manual, semi-automated, and automated technology. Introduction and background. The case study subject is a company that produces sauce, soy sauce, and vinegar. The study is conducted at a department that produces plastic bottle for bottling the above-mentioned sauce. This company was running flowing machine and injection molding machine. Each accepted bottle packed in a jumbo bag and the full load of the jumbo bag according to the size of the bottle. One jumbo bag can hold a full quantity of 1,600 pieces for size 415 grams and 900 pieces for size 800 grams. The bottles are transported to the filling department on a daily basis. The bottles that were packed in the jumbo bag were transported using a forklift. The proposed handling method will improve the delivery time as well as increase the capacity of the delivery quantity and improve the handling productivity. This will make the factory atmosphere free of air pollution. Literature review. Firstly, material flow. Thomas E. Cradle, 24 September 2019. The movement of components from material and other goods through the manufacturing process in order to generate a finished product and deliver it to the consumer is known as manufacturing material flow. First is planning. Engineer material flow necessitates the defined and planned layout of material movement including correct data on component and material and identification of every stage of the production process. Next, communication. For a smooth functioning, communication and signal are required. Signal can take numerous forms, such as flow arrow, overhead illumination, barcode, color, bulb, and numbered sign. Lastly, tool. The tool used are determined by the industrial environment. Process should be assessed first, and then equipment should be selected to meet the demand. Second, element and characteristic of a material handling. The first is the operating system project, which encompasses tasks such as sequencing, velocity, layout, and routing. As a result, it offers a categorization based on the following factors. First, physical condition, size, weight, condition, damage risk, and safety danger. Pay close attention to ceiling height, identify environmental conditions, and the nature of using combustion engine, extraction equipment and storage, adhere to all safety standards to protect human and eliminate the risk of criminal and civil liability resulting from accident, and investigate all available energy options and their capacity to supply required movement. Lastly is welding. Total function leadership. The base weld-joint design relates to how metal parts are joined or aligned with one another. The design of each joint influences the quality and cost of the finished work. Choosing the best joint design for a welding task necessitates careful consideration and skill. According to the WAWS, there are 5 fundamental welding joint types regularly utilized in the industry. First, butt joint, T-joint, corner joint, leg joint, and H-joint. You can see the example of type of welding joint. Problem statement. First, the existing method of transporting a full load jumbo bag of plastic bottle is to use only a forklift with wooden pallet support. Next, only 2 jumbo plastic bottles were shipped at one time. Daily delivery of jumbo bottles to the filling department has an average of 60 jumbos. It takes a long time to ship the jumbo. Employee safety and how to handle material handling is not in accordance with SOP. Objective of this project: first, to improve the bottle delivery productivity by increasing the number of bottle delivery at one time. Second, to eliminate the handling hazard during transporting the bottle and to improve the delivery efficiency by reducing the travelling time during transporting the bottle. Lastly, to propose the handling method in addressing the delivery productivity and safety issues. Scope and limitation of the project. First, the scope of the study also covers the recommendation of new handling method of the bottle using bagging instead of forklift. Prevent bottle delivery method at these systematic and late safety features. Next, now only 2 jumbo can be sent at a time. With this project, the number of jumbo will be increased by 6 jumbo at a time and the security features are very high. Lastly, the safety aspect is an important thing in making a product. All aspects of safety will be made on the product. Methodology. Concept of idea generation and assessment must be performed in order to identify the best concept to achieve the design goal. The project employed the define, measure, analyze, improve and control approach. This work was beneficial to the fight of environmental monitoring. Precursor of flowchart that is meant to offer a basic summary of the complete activity. Define, identify the problem, identify the plan of development work, define the input and output of the system. Measure, evaluate the parameter need for device, capability, Internet of Things. Analyze, get feedback from the supervisor, improve attention, plan based on supervisory input. Control, performance, measurement strategy to control what is necessary to maintain an implementation method at the current stage. Expected result. The research project is expected to achieve the best analysis and design of the product to be made. With the availability of such a product, it will be able to improve the method of jumbo delivery to the filling department, with a larger number of shipments at one time to save time. The product to be made is one of the best products to ship jumbo in larger quantities. Each material has been studied to be more robust and systematic. Safety features have been made special to the material handling, to the worker handling it, and the material handling condition. This is the data of the jumbo of bottle. Next is the design of the material handling. This is sketch of the material handling, joining between buggy and material handling and buggy. Buggy was used to pull the material handling by joining with this part. Thank you to our panel for your attention. For further information and queries, you can contact me with this detail.